It's breakfast time, and you're in the kitchen with Chef Anthony. Today we'll be cooking French toast. Stay tuned. So what we want to do, crack the egg in there. Put your nutmeg in there. Your cinnamon. Your sugar. Your vanilla extract. Put about half a teaspoon of oil in there, half a teaspoon of butter. And we're in there like swimwear. We got the French toast cracking. We got the French toast cooking. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be real nice, real nice. A nice color. You know, so guys, stay tuned. Yes, indeed. And there you have it, the finished product. Woo-hoo. That's Chef Anthony's French toast, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's do it to it. All right, now I'm gonna have to leave you guys so I can enjoy this beautiful breakfast. Good morning. Yes, Lord.